Japan, renowned for its breathtaking natural scenery and traditional arts, celebrates the changing seasons in unique splendor. Spring heralds a blanket of cherry blossoms. Summer is alive with vibrant festivals and fireworks spectacles. Autumn offers tranquil hikes through mountains painted with fiery foliage. And winter welcomes you to its snow-covered slopes for exhilarating skiing and snowboarding. Another facet of Japan's rich cultural heritage is the hanko, a traditional form of stamp. Yamada Corporation, founded in 1970, stands at the forefront of crafting these distinguished seals. Through Yamada, you have access to an exclusive collection of best-selling rubber stamps designed by Japan's most esteemed illustrators. Furthermore, Yamada offers the unique opportunity to create your own premium quality custom-designed stamps tailored to your specifications. Join us in this video for an exclusive tour of the Yamada factory, where we will reveal the meticulous process of crafting these exquisite stamps. The journey of creating a stamp at Yamada Corporation unfolds through 7 detail-oriented steps. Let's embark on a behind-the-scenes tour of the factory to witness this fascinating process firsthand. Step 1. Customer reception. We attentively listen to each customer's order details and preferences. At Yamada Corporation, we hold the belief that engaging in meaningful dialogue with our customers is paramount. Our dedicated sales representatives offer a range of tailored suggestions, ensuring each customer's unique needs are met with precision and care. Step 2. Film development. In this phase, we transfer the customer-provided data onto film. This involves diligently adjusting the received illustrations to the desired stamp size. We then produce a master film that facilitates the creation of the entire batch of stamps, tailored to the exact quantity ordered. Step 3. Plate assembly and rubber molding. Now, we proceed to the critical stage of creating the actual stamp surface from the prepared film. Utilizing photosensitive resin, we craft a relief plate, followed by constructing a mold to receive the pouring of natural rubber. To achieve a stamp surface that is both elastic and user-friendly, a thorough process involving sustained high heat and high-pressure pressing is essential. At Yamada Corporation, we are dedicated to a traditional press machine manufacturing method. Although laser engraving machines offer a modern alternative for directly carving rubber, we adhere to the press method due to its superior imprint quality and fidelity in design reproduction. Our commitment to this technique underscores our pursuit of the highest quality in our products. Step 4. Precision rubber cutting. Here we focus on the rubber surface crafted in the previous step. In this stage, we precisely size the stamp surface to the exact dimensions specified in the order. Employing a specialized cutting machine, our artisans skillfully trim the surface by hand, ensuring precision with every 2mm adjustment on each side. This process exemplifies the artisanal craftsmanship at the heart of our operation. Step 5. Stamp imprinting. In this phase, we commence the imprinting process on the handle, rootstock, using the designs provided by our customers. The handle, already cut to the customer's specified size, is carefully positioned on the printing base. We then print the back design with exacting detail, ensuring each stamp reflects the unique specifications of our customers. Step 6. Rubber application. Now, we move to the finalizing stage of the stamp. In this step, the cut stamp surface is carefully applied to the handle. Special attention is paid to correctly orient the illustration, especially when the top, bottom, left, and right sides are not immediately distinguishable. For complex illustrations, we rigorously ensure that every detail is perfectly transferred. This is done through a highly detailed stamping test, comparing the actual imprint with the original customer-provided design to guarantee a clean and precise final product. Step 7. Secure packaging. We carefully package the completed stamps to ensure that customers can easily identify each design upon receipt. A protective sponge is placed between the stamp surface and the handle to safeguard against deformation. This is because prolonged pressure can alter the shape of the stamp. To prevent any damage, we carefully arrange the stamps in the packaging without stacking them, thus avoiding any undue pressure. This thoughtful packaging process is an integral part of our commitment to delivering our products in pristine condition. This is the essence of our manufacturing process, where state-of-the-art machinery and artisanal craftsmanship are harmoniously blended. Our production system is conscientiously organized to meet your delivery expectations. Why not experience the excellence of crafting high-quality, uniquely designed stamps with us as your OEM partner? We warmly invite you to contact us at your convenience to explore this opportunity.